I got this thing going 40 miles an hour. All right, this review is gonna be on this 1/14 scale DRC RC car, and I'm gonna take this out here, run it around in this parking lot. I'm gonna take it over a couple ramps, and at the end of the video, I will show you all on everything that did come in the box. And I will have a small clip here toward the end showing you the speeds that you can get on this with a 2S battery and a 3S battery. And I do get it up to 40 miles an hour, just to let you guys know. So watch all the way to the end. Let me take this thing over some ramp. You turn this thing on, right up underneath here, there's a little red button. There we go. You can adjust the speed on this to make it go way, way slower if you do have a young boy or a young girl. I'm gonna run it here on 2S. All right, I'm in a big parking lot. I just want to see how fast this actually really does go on a 2S and how fast it goes on a 3S. I have a 3S here in my pocket. I have this GPS thing right on here, and I have an app on my phone that's going to show me how fast this goes. I have a brand new 2S battery in here, so let's turn it on. Turn the controller on. And I got my steering turned way down so it doesn't steer real fast. All right, track. Okay, let's see here. This is the first run. This is on 2S. Woo! Let's do one more little run. Now that looks fast to me, but rides wheelies. All right, let's see what it says on the 2S. Let me read it. Yeah, not too bad. So on 2S, it went 27 miles an hour. Now let me reset this and we'll put this 3S battery in. All right, got my clips off. Open this up. Take this battery out. It didn't even kill my battery yet. Now let's put this 3S battery in. I had to do a little adjustment down in there so I could get this to fit. But it's in there. Hopefully it don't fly out. Okay, now we got 3S. I got it. It is on. That's on. Just don't fly out. Put my clips on. One clip. I haven't even lost a clip yet. Actually, I didn't even wreck it yet. Okay, here we go. Let's get on my app, track, start. Now let's see what she'll do. Here we go, 3S. Oh, I'm a little scared. I've done this before, it's crazy. It's so hard to control. Hang on. There it is. Whoa, water. Tree. I still don't think I went full speed yet. I'll try again. I'm gonna go all the way down there. That's like the end of the parking lot. Whoa! There's a speed bump there. I'm gonna try this again, but I don't think I got there yet. Let's see how fast I got so far. So far I went 37 miles an hour, but that ain't top speed. Let me try it again, see if I can beat that. You see that? 37? That's crazy. Stop, track, start. All right, try this one more time. Whoa! I want to try to hit 40, at least. Oh, I wrecked. Oh, I'm not. Let's see if I beat it. Can't believe my GPS thing didn't fly off. Stop, read. Oh, 39. Let me try one more time. I gotta get 40 at least. You see that thing? I got it going 39, but I can't control it. It's crazy.
That 39 is freaking insane.
I know. I'm gonna try to hit 40. Hang on.
All right.
All right, here we go again. Whoa. I don't know. I think the battery's losing some juice. Let's see. Stop, read. Oh, I hit it. 40. 40 miles an hour with that little thing. That's crazy. I got this thing going 40 miles an hour. That's nuts. There you go. All right. That's enough for me. I feel like it would go faster, but it's so hard to control it. All right, this is everything that does come with this 1/14 scale RC car. Now, it says here on the side of this thing, they call this the Whirlwind. It definitely, you've seen here in the video, is definitely fast, especially if you put the 3S battery on. But it comes with two 2S batteries, and these batteries are pretty cool because you can just hit this button and it will show you how much battery life it has. I got them both charged up. Really slick. It comes with two extra like swing arm assemblies. They're for the front because this thing is so fast, just in case you'd end up breaking one of them. And then this is the charger right here. It also comes with a little wheelie bar. I'll show you that you only got to take 3 little screws out to put that on. I'll show you where that goes in the back. Then you got the controller, nice little rubber grip or foam grip, real nice, and you can adjust your steering. You can make the steering so it will steer more or less. So like if you're going really fast, you could turn your steering wheel down so it doesn't steer so far so you don't wreck. You can actually, and adjust the speed right here. If you turn this all the way down, it will go a lot slower. These buttons right here are for the lights on it. It has really cool lights. Here, I'll show you that in a second. The only thing you have to get is 4 AA batteries. Yep, and then it comes with this little box with extra parts. It has a little screwdriver. And you get some little clips to clip the body on. Extra ones. It has 4 already in it. Right here, the 4, I already have them out. It comes with a little tiny little wrench for some of the screws in there. You can use that like to check your tires. Make sure they're tightened up. A couple little extra little nuts that are probably for the tires here. All right, let me move this out of the way. And I already have, it has a clip here, 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 and here. I already took the little clips out. They're real easy. You just grab these little plastic tabs and pull them out. But Has nice little plastic rails here in the top so it'll protect your body. Watch when you take this off because there's lights in the body. And there's wires hooked onto it. So this is where the 2S battery goes. I already have one in there. I have a couple of these 2S batteries. So you just turn this little clip here and pull up on that, and that will pop out. And then you would plug it in right there. Yeah, this is a 2S battery. You can put a 3S battery in there. I have this 3S battery. This does not come with it, but I put that in here in this video, and I showed you how fast it would go with the 3S battery. It really, really rips with this battery. But now the battery I had to trim back some of this plastic in here so I could get that 3S battery to fit in here. Just to let you know that. I don't know, maybe you'll find a battery that'll fit better, but that's what I did. It's got a 45 amp waterproof ESC and a brushless motor right here. 2840 brushless motor. And supposedly oil-filled shocks. It seem like there's definitely oil in them, I think. I don't know. I'm not ripping them apart for you, but they seem nice. Nice shocks. And these two little arms right here, these arms, these are going to be right here. So in case you end up breaking one of your front tires right off, that's what those arms are going to be for. Not much to it. Definitely has some metal parts on here. The drive shafts in front and rear are metal. It has metal gears in it. So for the price, this thing is built really, really nice. But let me turn this on. What the lights look like. You just hold this little red button in here. There you go. She is on. As I turn this on, it'll stop blinking. All right, there's the lights. You got underbody lights and you got front lights. And if I push these buttons, they'll change. That changes the front green. There's a couple different colors. And one of these, it like kind of changes colors. That one there changes colors. And I can push this one. And it changes the underbody. And they have one that they call breathing. I think it's that one right there. It makes it look like it's breathing. It kind of just goes on and off. Definitely a really cool RC car. And if I just turn it off, I got to hold that button in. And it turns off. All right here in the back, you can remove these 3 screws. There's 1, 2, 3. And that is where you can put this little wheelie bar on. It's just going to go on you put it on like that. It's going to go right there. Real simple. You should be able to use that screwdriver that came with it if you want. I definitely have to say this car rips. I think it would do that 27 to 30 miles an hour on the 2S. And the 3S is crazy. I really believe what they put in their description is really, really dang close. I don't know if I could have got it going faster, but 40 miles an hour is really dang fast for this little RC car. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day.